Welcome to the BYU Model United Nations Parliamentary Procedure Guide. Whether you're new to MUN or need a refresher, we've got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through the key steps of parliamentary procedure, helping you understand how to navigate a BYU MUN conference with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1, roll call. At the start of the session, the chair will take attendance. When your country is called, stand and respond with present or present and voting. Make sure that throughout the meeting, you keep your placard horizontal for making motions and vertical for voting. Step 2, setting the agenda. After roll call, delegates propose the order of topics for discussion. To do this, you can make a motion by raising your placard and saying, "Your country name," moves to set the agenda to 1, 2. Other delegates may also propose their preferred order of 2, 1. The chair will then allow for voting on those motions, and the delegates will vote on the proposed order of topics. If a motion receives a majority vote, it passes, and that proposed agenda is adopted. Step 3, speeches and general debate. Once the agenda is set, the chair will open the speakers list. If you want to speak, raise your placard and the chair will add you to the list. If the chair does not recognize you, write your country name on a small sheet of paper with the request to be added to the speakers list and pass the note to the end of your aisle. A page will collect the requests aisle by aisle and bring them to the dais, where the rapporteur will sort through them and add each country to the speakers list. When your country's name nears the top of the speakers list, line up at the front of the room and wait to be recognized by the chair to take the floor. Deliver your speech about the topic at hand. Once you return to your seat, remember to add your name to the speakers list again. Be courteous while listening to other speeches. Doing other work during this period or talking to others might make the dais look at you unfavorably. Step 4, motion for a caucus. After entertaining a number of speeches, the chair will indicate that they would favor a caucus. At this point, you may make a motion to break for a caucus. To motion for a caucus, raise your placard and say, "Country name," moves to suspend the meeting for X minutes. For this motion to pass, it requires a simple majority. During informal session, make sure that you keep track of the time so you're ready and back in your seat early. Step 5, working papers and draft resolutions. Throughout debate, delegates can work together to write working papers. These documents outline specific actions or solutions to the issues being discussed. When your working paper is complete, you may submit it to the dais for their commentary, at which point the working paper becomes a draft resolution. Step 6, voting procedure. Once the committee is ready to vote on draft resolutions, the chair will move into voting procedure. During this time, no talking or moving around is allowed. The chair will ask delegates to vote by raising their placards. Resolutions will pass if they receive a 2/3 majority vote. Multiple resolutions may be passed on the same topic. Throughout the conference, you can use several points and motions to clarify rules, ask questions, or raise concerns. There are also specific motions that you will use to close debate and move into voting procedure. We will not go into these motions in this video, but make sure to familiarize yourself with them by reading through the Parliamentary Procedure Guide Sheet, which is located on the BYU Model United Nations website under the Training tab. And there you have it, the essential steps of parliamentary procedure at BYU MUN. Remember, knowing the rules helps you become a more effective delegate and makes it easier for your voice to be heard. Good luck, and we hope you have an amazing Model UN experience.